Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. So in today's video I have this BMW e91. This is a 2008 model, and I'm gonna be changing the rear wiper blade. Now I have my new wiper blade here. That's the one there, and this car is very dirty, by the way. This is the rear wiper blade here. I'm using Bosch, and it's a 13-inch one. It looks like I have another BMW there, and it's pretty much the same. That's a 2011 model, so this is a 2008. Right, so I guess sometimes with the years little things can change around the car, so just make sure you get the correct one for your vehicle. So how am I going to change it? I'm just going to pull this arm up. It might feel a little bit hard to when you pull it this much, then it feels like you're gonna break it, but it doesn't actually break. It does spring back. And then what you want to do with this one is literally unplug it from here. It's just basically plugged in there. So whether I can do that with one hand or not is another matter, but it's literally just plugged in here. Right, there we are. So you can see those two little plastic round bits sticking out there. They literally plugged into there. So we have the new one here. Just gonna make sure it looks the same. Yes, it does. And now let me just try and show you where this kind of plugs in. Okay, so that will go basically. Definitely can't see anything because of the sun. Is kind of, it will just go in there. So you just get your new blade and plug it in there in the hole that we saw. So I have to finish this video on a different car because my camera wasn't recording the end of the video on the previous blade that I was doing. So anyway, as we saw, that plugs in there, and just have to locate it and plug your new wiper in there and then put it down. So that's pretty much it. Not really a difficult one, only when you get this blade out it can be a bit hard to pull it out. So apart from that, it's fairly simple. So I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching.